Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to talk about is my ZT collection. Stand by. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So you guys know, if you've been following around, I've been showing off some of my collection. My collection is just something that I purchased over the years with my own money, so I'm not being sponsored by anybody. The collection we're going to talk about today is ZT, or Zero Tolerance. It's a offshoot of Kershaw knives, and a lot of big name makers kind of jumped in, like Hinderer, Ken Onion, and they made a whole bunch of great combat style knives, a little bit more different than Kershaw's kind of like budget line. Before we do that, I need you to do a couple things for me. If you want to support this channel, very simply, I'm going to put all the links down below. It will be an Amazon affiliate. Hopefully I have a link to all these knives. If I don't, I'm sorry about it. You have to find them on the secondary market. These are a little bit difficult to find sometimes. Also, what you can do is go to threeriverblades.com. I am a knife maker. I make handmade, fixed made knives right here in the USA. I really appreciate it. Go up there, check something out. If you're a hunter, an outdoorsman, military, policeman, that kind of thing, check out all my fixed blade knives. Also, you can go to Patreon for $1 a month. I will upload all these videos, including this one, early. So if you don't want to wait every Sunday to see one of my videos, then you can get the whole plethora of videos in one shot. You can binge watch, and I really appreciate that. Also, like, subscribe, share, put a comment down below if you have any of these blades. I'd like to know where you're getting them from, because I would like to get one too. My collection is not that big when it comes to ZT because they are pretty expensive. Okay, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to pull this down and we're going to talk about my Zero Tolerance collection. Let's do it. Alright guys, let's talk about the blade that first got me into ZT. This is the Zero Tolerance 200, and you'll notice this a lot on Zero Tolerance. They just put the model number up there. There's no real name for it. I like this blade a lot. This is kind of what got me into it. It is a 154 cm. It is a Ken Onion design, machined G10 with stainless steel liners. So this is very built, almost overbuilt. Really ergonomic, comfortable in the hand. It has this nice sweeping blade, which is very, very sharp. They are serialized. If you can see right here, they are serialized, so that's cool. This is made more of a combat knife. It does have jimping up top. It is powder coated to reflect any type of glare. It is a liner lock. The clip itself can be on the left side or left side, right side, tip up, tip down configuration. So it does have the corresponding holes in it. And again, what I love about ZT knives is these types of knives are made for combat. All right, I did carry this quite a bit, and I still do carry it from time to time. The 200 is a little bit difficult to find right now. If you can, I looked all over the place. I saw one on eBay for an astronomical price. They used to sell for about $150 to $200. It's probably double, if not triple that right now. So if you can find one, definitely get it. Alright guys, the next couple of knives I'm really impressed with. This is again, a Ken Onion design for Zero Tolerance. This is the 300 series. These are all made of S30V steel. The knife itself, for the blade from tip to end, is about 3.5, and the ergonomic handle is 5 inches. Again, you have machined G10 on one side with a stainless steel liner, and on the other side it's just a slab of titanium. So I just want to give you an idea of what that looks like. Very well designed, very well done. Powder coated blade. On this, you have again a 4-position pocket, so tip up, tip down, left or right carry. It also has this little disc here to stop over travel, so you wouldn't mess it up right there. And they used to come in a lot of different colors. All right, this is the black on one side, and then you have the OD green, and then you have the black and green tiger stripe. So really, really nice design. It does come with sort of these ridges on the back, give you a little bit more traction. And again, like I said, these are all assisted knives, so you can open them with one hand. This is called the black wash finish. Black wash finish is a little bit, you know, kind of like an acid wash. Again, it comes out really nice on the titanium slab on this side. Again, there's a lot of people out there that kind of take these knives and pimp them out and do all kinds of fun stuff with the bolts and the screws and the clips. If you find one, they're usually going to come in a tip-up configuration. You can swap this out to the other side. Has jimping along the spine, right where your thumb goes, and again has that nice sweeping design. You can really tell on the black wash finish. And again, this is 303, but it's still the same thing. It's black and black and gray as opposed to black and green. I was smart enough to purchase these back in the day when they were readily available. If you try to find these right now, they're on eBay for about $375 if you can even find them. Try to look for your secondary markets if you're going to look for these knives. I don't think they're going to sell them on Amazon, although I'll try to find a link for you guys. I just want to make sure that you had something that you can take a look at. So these are really, really nice. These are the 300, and again, just the way these kind of fit in the hand, you could tell it's definitely a nice ergo. Every single one of these are serial numbered, so you can see right here, they're all serialized. And if you can find one of these, I highly recommend getting them. A lot of used ones, again, on the market are going to be pretty expensive, and you just had to be there to get them. But if you can find one in pristine condition, especially with the boxes, I would definitely get one. Highly recommended. All right, guys, the next knife I have here is the 350 series. The 350 series is a little bit smaller than the big brother, the 300 series. They are still assisted opening, which is nice. A little less bells and whistles, if you will. Also, you can check out the size of it, the width. It's a little bit thinner, a little bit lighter, that kind of thing. The blade on the 300 series is 3.5 inches, and the blade on a 350 series is only 3 inches with a 4-inch handle. Very well done. These are still available. You can buy them on Amazon for about $160, $170, depend on what colors you like. It has a grippy G10. It is 4-position clip, so that's really nice. Liner lock again. Doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but a really nice pocket carry, and again, they really are still available. S30V, and they are all serialized, so I have one in all black. I do have one in orange. I don't think they make this one anymore. Good luck trying to find it if they do, but this one is orange with a satin finish. Still has that really nice design that Ken Onion puts in there. And this one is made of aluminum scales. So they did a lot of different things to push their knives out, and this one came out really, really nice. Again, this is OD with stainless steel liners. It has a nice black back strap, and again, the DLC coated blade. So that's really, really nice. Again, this is more of the smaller brother of this one. So 350 has a lot more features. It has titanium. This is going to be a little bit cheaper option. Again, can't really find this one too much, but the 350s, I don't know in this color pattern. I did see these in mostly black and in a tiger stripe pattern on Amazon. I'll put the links down below so you guys can snatch one up before they're all gone. Alright guys, this happens to be one of my EDCs. This is the Zero Tolerance 560s. The 560s are really nice EDC knives. I like these because they're not as heavy as the 300s and they're not as small as the 350s. What this does is it kind of fits that bill of like an everyday carry that can do a little bit more work. You're looking at a blade length of 3.75, so it's 3 3/4. The handle scale is about 5 inches. It is very ergonomic. You do have a G10 liner on one side. I'm sorry, you have a G10 handle on one side, and you will have titanium on the back side. Now, if you can see right there, I did lose one of my screws, but again, it's still holding together rather well. It does have the over travel stop disc. It is a 4-position design, So 4-position clip if you like. It does have jimping on top. Really nice flipper. Okay, this is basically a flipper. I have it in the satin finish. I also have it in the black on black finish, which is really nice. And then on the other side, again, you have that titanium, again, also made in Elmax. And I also have it in the carbon fiber. If you're a fan of carbon fiber, it lightens it up just a little bit. And again, titanium on the back side. Everything's basically the same. These are all serialized and they are Hindura design. The difference with the carbon fiber is you just have like this little kind of lightning style etching that's in there. I thought that was kind of neat. All right, so a little bit more expensive, obviously. A little different. This one is also made out of a S110 110V steel. So it's a little bit more elegant, a little bit more expensive. If you can find the carbon fiber one, good luck. Actually, all these knives right here, I have not seen. You probably have to look on the secondary market, but again, this is my collection. You do have a nice lanyard hole in the back. The jimping on top is sufficient. This is what I consider a very nice EDC, basically because of the blade size and the handle size. The flipper comes around to stop your hand. It becomes a finger stop so you won't slip forward. So if you need to use this in a life or death situation, you absolutely could. I have seen these things kind of pimped out really nice. They used to sell on Blade HQ for about $260, so if you can find them somewhere, I would definitely recommend picking them up. All right, the next one we're going to talk about is my ZT 700 series. This is made out of S30V. Really nice tanto, satin finish, grippy G10. This is a really ergonomic kind of knife. It also has a little jimping on the top. It is a liner lock. Pocket position is only left or right, tip up, carry only. It does have a nice lanyard hole in the back. Again, probably discontinued. I can't find it anywhere. If you find it on a secondary market, you're probably looking at the time of the purchase, it was like $136, $140. It does have that nice tanto and it does have that swedge up top, so it's definitely something to pierce with. What's also unique about this knife is, if you can see, the thumb studs are a little bit different. They're not rounded. They're sort of like a cut off or a half moon, so that's really cool. The blade itself is 3.5 inches, so nice utility style blade, and then the handle is almost 4 inches. Very lightweight pocket carry. It is a flipper, so it's not assisted opening, but really nice style. I would recommend this without a doubt. Premium blade steel, and again, this is ZT, guys, so ZT is going to come up with all premium materials. All right, really nice blade. Again, probably discontinued. You're not gonna be able to find it too much, but if you find one, I would definitely pick it up if you're into this style of blade. All right, the next one is a really nice knife. This is a Rick Hindura design. This is the 550. It's made of S35VN, so really nice powder steel. The blade length on this is about 3.5, and you have a handle about 4.5. It does have designs kind of cut in the G10 on one side, and then on the other side it is all titanium. But just look at the thickness there. This is a very thick piece of titanium. So again, premium steels, premium materials used for the zero tolerance knives. It does have jimping on top. The thumb studs are the same and equal size on each side. These are all numbered and serialized, as most ZT knives are. The clip itself is 4-way positioned, so clip tip up, tip down, that kind of thing. Left or right side carry, and the clip is really good. It does come with the liner lock or titanium lock stopper right there. The pins inside are really nice. You can actually get color ones. I know that's what a lot of people do, is they get backspacer pins in there. Really nice design. It's a little bit thick on the titanium side, but I think that's purposeful, and really, really smooth action once you get used to it. So highly recommend. Again, these were selling for about $200. If you can find one, I would definitely get one. I would recommend all these knives. Lanyard hole in the back, it goes all the way through. Really nice blade, especially if you didn't want something that's, you know, too big, that kind of thing. This is a really good pocket size folder. Centered up, really nice, really good blade design. It also has jimping on the inside, which is nice to grab your fingers on, so that's really nice right there. So Hindra design, $550, definitely worth it if you can find one. All right guys, so the last one is the assisted opening. This is the 0770. Again, Elmax steel. It is serialized. It comes with that nice Wharncliffe tip right there. That is really cool. And it's just a really thin knife. This has aluminum scales. I don't know if it's still available. I know they have a carbon fiber version of this that is available. They used to run for about $140, $150, and the carbon fiber ones are still available. They did change the pivot nut and washer. It doesn't look like this anymore. This is an older version of it. Tip up design, very minimalist pocket clip. This is a very thin knife, a very thin pocket knife, more along the lines of what you'll see on a Kershaw line. So really cool. I do like the ergonomics. The blade length is only 3¼ inches and the handle length is 4¼ inches. So it's not a big knife, but a lot of people seem to like that. Aluminum scales on both sides. It is a liner lock, but this is something like an EDC everyday carry. Really nice blade. I do like that design. That's really, really cool design right there. And again, it's assisted opening. I like assisted opening almost better than auto, but you know, to each his own. Really nice. Back spacers are 3 post or pin. You can see right there, 1, 2, 3. And again, I'm sure there's aftermarket parts for this. If you can't find this, then I would suggest go to the secondary market to check it out. Nice acid wash or bead blast finish on that. And Elmax is good steel. I've had Elmax for quite some time and it holds an edge pretty well. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Let me pull the camera back up and we'll finish up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you like these videos, please put the comments down below. I will try to make more videos. I do have quite a lot of collection as far as folding knives, fixed blade knives, all kinds of cool stuff. Please go to threeriverblades.com if you want a custom handmade knife from me. Also, we have merchandise, so if you like the t-shirts, the hoodies, the cups, the glasses, all that stuff, I have a Teespring link down below. Check that out. You can get all that stuff. And if you want a discount code, it doesn't cost you anything. Go to threeriverblades.com, go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, email address, hit send. That's where I'm going to be sending all my discount codes. And if I didn't mention it before, please check out Three River Kydex, where I make all my Kydex products, so holsters, mag pouches, med kit, that kind of thing. And Three River Survival. So if you notice, I started moving a lot of videos, especially the survival videos, where we're talking about tack gear, kit, gear reviews, that kind of thing. I moved that to Three Rivers Survival. So I'll put those links down below as well. As always, guys, thank you very much. Like, subscribe, share, and be safe.